Hi everyone, welcome to the course on Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Myself, Dr. TL Gayatri. I'm going to handle the subject for you. This subject splits into two modules. Let us discuss about the first module, which splits into three chapters. The first chapter is problem solving, and the topics includes in problem solving are introduction to AI applications, problem solving agents, search algorithms, and some strategies such as uninformed search, heuristic search, local search and optimization problems, adversarial search, and at last the constraint satisfaction problems. So these are the topics that comes under chapter 1. So let us discuss one by one. Before getting into the topic, first thing we have to know is what is AI and what is the difference between AI and human. So the basic difference between AI and human is nothing but human generally learns from experience and AI learns from data. So this is the basic difference between AI and human. Um, Before getting into the topic, first thing we have to know was it is one of the most important technologies today. It has emerging as the most important technologies in industries such as healthcare, education, finance, transportation, and manufacturing. Let us begin by understanding what artificial intelligence actually means. So the next slide is introduction to AI. It is nothing but a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that naturally require human intelligence. So these tasks includes learning, reasoning, problem solving, understanding language, and finally making decisions. So intelligent agent is nothing but it's a system that observes its environment, processes the available information, and takes appropriate action to achieve a specific goal. For example, in our real time, in our day-to-day life, we are using Siri or Google Assistant that understands our commands and responds intelligently. Another example is recommendation systems such as Amazon or Netflix that learn from our preferences and provide personalized suggestions for which product to categorize next. So these are the real-time examples. And next comes the characteristics of AI. So the basic characteristics of AI are intelligence, learning, reasoning, perception, autonomy, and adaptability. So the first one is intelligence that allows the machines to learn and reason like human. And the second comes learning, which improves their performance continuously by analyzing certain experiences and data. And the third one is reasoning that enables AI to solve problems using logical thinking. And the next one is perception, which understands that AI understands information that has been received through sensors, cameras, microphones, or images. And the next thing is autonomy. So, meaning is AI systems that can perform tasks without constant human intervention. So, there is no need to involve any human in that. Without human intervention, the machine learns by itself. And the next one is adaptability. It allowing it to adjust its behavior when the environment or data changes. And the next one is objectives of AI. So the major objectives of AI is to develop systems that can think and act like human intelligently. So the AI aims to solve complex real-world problems efficiently and automate repetitive tasks. So based on the capability, the AI is classified into four types. The first one is reactive AI, second one is limited AI, third one is the theory of mind AI, and the last one is self-aware AI. So all these differences includes certain examples. The first one reacts to the current situations, and the next one uses the past experience for better decision making. For example, self-driving cars. And the next one comes here is theory of mind AI, which is still under development and aims to understand human emotions. And the last one is self-aware AI that represents the future intelligent machines that possesses consciousness. So actually, till now, this type of AI does not exist. So let us don't need to discuss about that. And the next comes is the difference between AI versus human intelligence. So the major use of AI is that without getting tired, it can do a lot of things, whereas the human immediately experience fatigue by doing certain amount of work. So the next comes as AI processes a huge amount of information very quickly, whereas the human requires more time. Next one, AI performs repetitive tasks with high accuracy, making it ideal for automation. Whereas humans are superior in creativity, emotion, intuition, empathy, and ethical judgment. Therefore, AI should not be considered a replacement for human. Instead, it serves as a powerful tool that assists humans in improving productivity and making better decisions. And next comes the application area. So the major applications of AI includes healthcare, finance, transportation, education. So these are the major area where AI rules. So the first one is healthcare. So it is one of the most important application of AI where it helps the doctors to diagnose diseases accurately using medical images such as X-rays, CT scans, and MRI scans. It also assists in predicting diseases, recommending treatments, monitoring patients, and supporting robotic surgeries. For example, so the AI detects earlier signs of diseases like cancers and pneumonia from medical images much faster than the traditional methods. So that it provides doctors so it helps the doctors to provide timely treatment before it comes to the major one. And the next one is finance. So the AI is mainly used in finance in order to detect fraudulent transactions by identifying unusual spending patterns. Next one, it also helps in credit scoring, customer support through chatbots, stock market predictions, and algorithmic trading. For example, let us consider a real-time example. If someone suddenly uses a credit card in another country for an unusual large purchase, AI can easily identify the suspicious activity and immediately alert the bank. So this is one of the important applications of AI so that you can save your credit cards, debit cards, everything, and digital transactions. And the next comes is transportation. Um, so the major applications of AI in transportation is the use of self-driving vehicles, traffic predictions, route optimization, and accident prevention. It processes information from cameras, radar, GPS, and sensors to make driving decisions. For example, the real-time examples are autonomous vehicle can detect pedestrians, traffic signals, and nearby vehicles, enabling safer and more effective transportation. And the last one, but not the least, the applications is education. So it is the major ruling out area of AI. It provides a personalized learning experience by understanding each student's learning speed and performance. It also powers intelligent tutoring systems, automated evaluation, online assessments, and virtual learning assessments. So the examples are, you already know, the major example is ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and other AI related tools. And the basic example is AI-based learning platform can record and additional practice questions or learning materials based on students' strengths and weakness, making the learning more effective. So this is the overall discussion about today. That is, the AI is rapidly growing field that enables machines to perform tasks requiring human intelligence. So in this video, we basically learned the definitions of AI, its most important characteristics, objectives, and difference between AI, human intelligence, and several real-world applications such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and education. It also improved the efficiency, accuracy, and decision making across almost every industry. As technology continues to evolve, AI will become an ever more important part of our daily lives. So, thank you. On the next section, we will discuss about the problem solving agents and some search algorithm strategies. Thank you all.